Kia ora team, there's some nuggety south swells on the way up both coasts and maybe some sneaky log waves on the northeast coast. Everyone's gone home for lunch in Whaingaroa today, just a couple of sliders enjoying a glassy little session before that swell and wind picks up over the weekend. Don't forget the in-depth analysis and all the HD cams are on the website app goodsurfnow.co.nz. Righto, so let's do a quick fast forward of the weekend. Big old storm down south with cold southwesterly winds for the majority of the country. Out west that means heaps of ground swell. You can see it building on Saturday on our graphs and there's some associated messy wind swell on top from those strong local onshore winds. With southwesterly winds most of the weekend, you'll be looking for the sheltered zones. Rumour has it there could be some little offshore windows north side of Taranaki and the points up and down the coast. There's even a little bit of swell filtering into Kapiti Manawatu. And down in the south she's honking out to sea, but it's quite light on the coast. I'm seeing some cleanish waves, but probably a bit raw over the weekend still. And the northeast coast, she's a bit touch and go. I reckon Saturday is the most likely for a little grovel option. I can't see too much over half a metre, but on the lower tides and on the swell magnets, I'm trying my best to manifest something into existence. Check on our cams bright and early. Sunday is smaller again. And on the Pacific coast below East Cape, plenty of south swell brewing up for the next 5 days at least. It's building down south on Saturday and that'll spread up the coast. Expect solid conditions in the Catlins, Otago and even as far as Canterbury, with some south swell wrap into the city beaches with southwest offshore winds ramped. The capital city and surrounds look to have some options on Sunday too, and let's not forget the southeast coast. It's a bit windy in places, but it's going in the right direction some of the time at least. I'm calling a little grom session on Saturday morning, and then Sunday arvo is looking quite fun if that wind plays ball, which is its current plan. Light northwesterlies developing to groom things clean, fingers crossed, but until then, have a mint weekend team.